Hello, papas. Here we have one Acer Nitro 5, and the customer want to clean the fan, the thermal paste. So let's see what temperature the fans are now. Okay, so here we have 21 to course, 19, 20, and temperature 1, 2, 80, 28, 30. So let's screw this. I think it's clear, but the customer wants to clean it because it's 8th generation. 8th generation, and wants to clean it. Let the screws up. Nice screws. For all of you, my name is Jason, and I'm working here in Greece as a technician. So this is wait a second. Yes, I have I have a shop here, and I am alone. This have an SSD. That's okay. No screws inside. So let's take this apart. Here, I think with the finger is the best solution. This is more easy if you have some nails, a little nails in your fingers. What now? Some screw, I think. Maybe have here and here screws. Ugh. But not sure. No. No screws. No screws. So what I have to do? What is this? No. No, I don't want to damage some cables, flex cables. It usually happens when opening smartphones or laptops. I think there's a screw, something here. Come on. Yeah. Void. It's okay now. It's an old one laptop, so you don't have warranty. Okay, to take it apart. So we're here. Okay, this is the battery. This is the RAM. Only one slot of RAM. Maybe have inside RAM on the board. Inside the board, we have the SSD here, but will be updated to M2 SSD. What is this? I don't know. It's like a silicon. So here is GPU and CPU. Okay, let's unscrew this. But first, let's take out the battery. Like this. Okay, battery is out. Oh, this is not good. This is better. Nice. Don't have a different screws. It's all the same here. Okay. Here's not so wet here, so let's clean it. the customer buys it as second hand. She don't know if clean this thermal paste or not. I use toothbrush for this. This it's okay. Nice. Let's put some MX5 thermal paste in the whole area. Yeah, because the whole area is better than one drop. So it's okay here and here. And here. For better tempers. So this is a gaming laptop. And we are ready. No, we are not ready. Let's clean this. Yes. Okay, cleaning. Let's do some cleaning, better cleaning with isopropyl alcohol. So okay, nice, clean, nice and clean, ready to go out for a walk. Okay, this is okay. I think this is okay. No dust, nothing. We are perfect. We are perfect. Okay. Slowly, and we are fine. Let's tight the screws better. Nice. With love. With love. So it's perfect. Now it's okay, it's perfect. Okay. Here, dust, no. Let's put them back. Okay. Nice. Nice laptop. Easy one. An easy one. Let's push only the screws. Yes. To see what temp have now in our program. we do some job or not? I think we do. But a little. I think 5 degrees, because already have a low temp in our CPU. So I think it's only for 4, 5, up to 10, maybe. Up to 10. It's destroyed, but it's okay. Let's. Oh, I think I don't put. No. Anyway, I will test it now. I'll screw it back later. Only want to test the temp. Good. Okay, and let's see the program. Windows 11. Wait for the program. I think only 2 degrees down. We have here. We have 18, 19, 20, 17. Only 2 or 3 degrees down. Yes, 16. 17. 2 or 3. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye.